I get why people think that this is my hair. It's not though, it's paper. I feel like in my last video, my mic was creating a bit of a shadow. But we're here, and I'm so happy you're here today with me. A lot of you guys gave me some really positive feedback. You guys missed the long form videos, and they're here to stay, baby. So I hope you are subscribed. I hope you hit the bell notification as well. That way you're notified every single time I drop a video on my channel. I'm getting ready for an event. I'm vlogging. And so I figured, you know what, let me hit record. Let me put on some makeup for tonight's event. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing Holy Grail products. So if you are a little overwhelmed by all of the makeup products that are out there, I'm gonna be showing you pretty much products that you can find at the drugstore, products that have been working for me for years. I really loved the feedback from my last video, the skincare video. I love that. If you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it. I'll link it right over here. A comment that really stood out was this comment right over here, and I've been seeing it everywhere. On TikTok, on Instagram. A lot of people will ask me about that video, that clear skin video that I recorded like, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And I still use almond oil. Like I literally just ordered sweet almond oil again. And it's something that helps with my skin, especially if my skin's kind of like repairing from a breakout, from a product that I tried for the first time. I don't know if you guys can see, I literally just applied on foundation. I did a patch test for a product, was it last night? Yesterday. And I woke up with a bit of a breakout on this side. Now, typically, it's not a sad story because typically when I get new products, I just lather it on my face, but I made that mistake and this is what my skin looked like when I used to do that. Now, if I'm just testing out a product, before I recommend it to anybody, I have to love it myself. It has to work for my skin before I can like share anything about it. So with this particular product, it's a no-go, obviously, but the sweet almond oil helps with kind of like repairing my skin. I'm sorry, I snap with my brows. I typically don't care for my eyebrows because I'll just like comb them up. Girl, I snapped. Are you? So this foundation kind of dried pretty quickly, so I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm gonna dab it all over my face. Also, if I forget to mention the product, like this one is the Superstay Longwear Foundation by Maybelline. If I forget to mention the product, trust and believe I will link it in the description box below. So I'm just gonna buff out this blush. I've been really loving the Rare Beauty blushes. I'm open to like different liquid blushes, I'll be honest, but the Rare Beauty ones are super pigmented. Oh yeah, see this side? So this is why I wanna make sure I do patch tests for my skincare, because this side, I didn't apply the product at all, but this side, oof. Okay, this is an oldie but a goodie. This is also by Maybelline and it's the Instant Rewind concealer. I know that their color corrector is going a bit viral on TikTok right now, but I was like, you know what? I think I might still have their concealer lying around. And so sure enough, it was in my stash, but I believe the color corrector won't work from, or at least the one that is going viral. It's a bit more on the cooler pinky kind of tone. So, ooh, this may have been a lot, but we moved. Should I? Okay, so I have this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and I like it, but I also like this Bayesian Girl bronzer. This is the one from Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury's that girl, let me tell you. Oh my God, their magic cream. If you haven't watched that, don't know why my voice is cracking, and the quality of this microphone is just gonna pick up on every little crickly clack clack, so I need to be very careful. However, the skincare video that I posted, trying to speak about the magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury left me speechless. And here's the thing, it's on the higher end side. In order for me to recommend something that's really expensive, it has to be really, really good. It has to be worth our money, like, you know what I mean? So I was like, I don't know, we'll see. Sure enough, not only am I obsessed with it, they're coming out with a magic body cream. Because what I said in that video, I don't know if it made the cut, but I'm like, I want to take my entire body, dunk it in this jar. And then after I posted that video, they posted on their Instagram saying that they're coming out with a body cream, like a magic body cream. I already put on foundation, but you can kind of see my hyperpigmentation kind of peeking through. So that's why I like shy away from contour, because I feel like my face, not to sound conceited, I just feel like the hyperpigmentation kind of works as a contour for me. I don't know. It just does. Okay, so, wow, it's giving very bright under eye on camera. And in person. Ooh, I gotta eat. So currently right now, as I'm recording this, it's so I'm fasting for Easter, which means I am not eating dairy or meat. And little fun fact about me, I'm a carnivore. Like, I absolutely love meat. I don't know. Veggies, okay, like as an adult, I've been having a lot more veggies, but like, no. So it's pretty much a vegan diet that I'm on. And not diet, it's just kind of like, I guess, restriction, if you will. But that is pretty much what I'm doing right now. Just gonna draw my brows back in. But listen, like, I can't go to this event hungry, so I'm hoping to find something to eat before I go, because that will be a problem. I'll always get the inner corner of your nose, like this part right over here. God. Okay, first off, flawless. Are you guys seeing this? Hold on, I gotta like fix that laugh line. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is take some bronzer. I'm obsessed. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take some bronzer, powdered bronzer, which I don't know. I feel like the cream bronzers are good if you're doing that like reverse contour thing. Bring in some warmth, some dimensiones. Don't know if that's a word. And then just kind of doing that on my forehead. After I take off my head wrap, I'm going to have to like make sure I blend out my makeup, but I think that's good for now. So I'm gonna take some smoothing powder. It's their Micro Smooth Powder by Sephora. I'm just going to kind of add that on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is real life. What? I'm just gonna take that same bronzer that I used for my face, and I'm just gonna like just buff out my eyelids. Here's the thing, I really rate the girls that do eyeshadow. Like eyeshadow looks, my God. And not even only eyeshadow, but like eyeshadow looks with like really cool eyeliners and stuff like that. More power to you. Like for real, like you do that. Like that's your thing. What the heck? We are smiling way too much. We have to be serious. No more smiling. Psych. This is that girl. I'm telling you, if you want your makeup to stay and last long, this is that girl. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Is that girl. Linked in the description box, I promise. I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. I'm probably have to reapply this because as I'm applying on this lip liner, my stomach is going off right now. And then we're gonna put on Abu Dhabi in the center. Just like that. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do like a matte lip today. I'm excited. Okay, BRB, obviously. I'm just going to quickly change, also eat something. Because my God. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put on Dandelion. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. They came out with a ton, like upwards of like 12 blushes last spring actually. I'm gonna apply some Dandelion on top of my cheeks. See? And the reason why I put on a powdered blush and not the liquid blush is because I've already set my face. So I'm not gonna mix something liquid with something powder. This is cute. Just not the apples of my cheeks. Yes. Wow, I actually look like a doll. Oh my God. So let me change real quick. So this is the top or whatever. I smell divine right now. It's insane. Lancome sent me this in PR and I'm really excited to try this out. You guys already know I'm a what you call a mascara junkie. I absolutely love mascara. I get why people think that this is my hair. It's not though, it's paper. This is what the package looks like. This is what they sent over to me. So shout out to the Lancome team. Whoa. This is the mascara that we're going to be trying for the first time. I hope this quality is A1 day one, really and truly. Okay, first off, I'm kind of liking this hair a lot. It's real cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat. Get ready with me. It's been a minute since I've done one of these, but yeah, it's kind of nice to kind of just turn on the camera, put on your makeup, ramble, say what's on your mind, and then just go about your business. It's great. Anywho's, I love each and every one of you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.